Welcome to a new era of the golden flow, where the heartbeat of the ancient forest meets the cutting-edge precision of advanced artificial intelligence technology today. In this sanctuary of biological innovation, nature and machines exist in perfect harmony, working together to harvest the purest essence of the wild without any disruption. Every flower is analyzed by high-resolution sensors, ensuring that only the most nutrient-rich blossoms contribute to our extraordinary and highly potent forest honey collection process. Advanced bio-robots utilize precise ultrasonic vibrations to gently separate the bees from the hive, ensuring zero harm to the colony while maintaining the highest ethical standards. The raw honeycombs are transported through zero-gravity vacuum tubes, preserving their delicate structure and preventing any external contamination from the outside world during the transit. Step inside our sterile processing facility, where the air is purified and every movement is calculated by an AI hive mind for maximum efficiency and safety. The journey continues as the raw wax cascades like a golden waterfall, ready to be refined through our multi-stage digital cleaning and advanced optical sorting system. Optical sorters utilize high-speed lasers to detect and remove even the smallest impurities, achieving absolute homogeneity that manual processes could never possibly hope to match today. AI-driven infrared sensors monitor moisture levels in real time, ensuring each batch meets our rigorous standards for quality, taste, and long-term shelf life stability and excellence. Only the finest, most perfect wax segments are selected to proceed, stacking with flawless precision as they prepare for the next stage of our innovative extraction. Welcome to the heart of the facility, where the dance of physics and engineering begins within our state-of-the-art, high-speed centrifugal extraction chambers and modules. The wax trays are loaded with rhythmic grace by robotic attendants, before the chambers are sealed airtight to begin the high-speed separation of the liquid gold. As the rotation accelerates, centrifugal force releases the honey in slow motion, creating beautiful threads of liquid gold that cling to the mirror-polished stainless steel walls. The honey converges into a powerful, viscous vortex, flowing downward into transparent glass conduits that reveal the stunning clarity and rich amber hue of the product. Our cold filtration process uses ultra-fine meshes to remove coarse particles while preserving the delicate enzymes and natural aromas that define true, high-quality wild forest honey products. The result is a flow of liquid perfection, maintained at ambient temperatures to ensure that every bioactive compound remains intact and fully functional for your health benefits. Now we enter the realm of the microscopic, the nano lab, where we unlock the hidden potential of propolis through advanced molecular separation and refinement technologies. AI algorithms simulate the molecular structure of propolis, identifying the most potent bioflavonoids to be extracted while discarding any waxes or resins that are not needed. Through high-pressure filtration, the raw propolis is refined into a concentrated liquid, undergoing a transformation that enhances its purity and biological availability to the human body. As this breakthrough nanotechnology allows for particle sizes so small they can be absorbed 20 times more effectively than traditional propolis, providing maximum protection and healing power. Robotic precision ensures the perfect golden ratio of honey and nano propolis, creating a synergistic blend that is scientifically formulated to boost your immune system's natural defenses. Every milligram is accounted for by the AI supervisor, guaranteeing that the final product is not just honey, but a sophisticated bioactive supplement for the modern age. Our packaging line operates in a total vacuum, using magnetic levitation to move dark glass bottles without friction, ensuring the environment remains absolutely sterile and dust-free. The filling process is a masterpiece of precision engineering, where nozzles dispense the exact volume required with milligram accuracy, leaving the bottlenecks pristine and clean. Each bottle is laser engraved with a unique digital identity, allowing you to trace the journey of your honey from the specific forest plot to your very doorstep. Our robotic labeling system ensures flawless presentation, applying the brand's identity with a level of perfection that reflects the premium quality of the golden liquid inside. A final AI visual inspection detects even the most microscopic surface scratches, rejecting any bottle that does not meet our standard of absolute aesthetic and structural perfection. The result is more than just a product. It is a work of art, a synthesis of nature's bounty and human intelligence, bottled for your health and enjoyment. Experience the rich, complex flavors of the wild forest, enhanced by the clarity and purity that only our advanced AI-driven extraction process can truly provide you. Feel the difference of nano-propolis as it absorbs into your system, providing a natural shield and a burst of energy that comes directly from the deep forest. Our commitment to sustainability is absolute, powered by the sun and designed to protect the very ecosystem that provides us with this incredible, life-giving golden gift. As day turns to night, the forest rests, while our technology continues to monitor the hives, ensuring a balanced and sustainable future for our buzzing forest partners. Golden Flow, the pinnacle of natural essence and artificial intelligence. Join us in a journey toward a healthier, more harmonious future where technology serves nature. Pure essence, scientific precision, and eternal forest life. Discover the ultimate expression of wellness today with the most advanced honey in the entire world today. We honor the humble honeybee, the architect of this liquid gold, by using our technology to safeguard their environment and celebrate their incredible work. Our unique nanofiltration technology is the key to unlocking the medicinal properties of propolis, making it more effective than any other product on the market currently. Every jar is handled with care, packed into eco-friendly materials that reflect our dedication to the environment and our promise to deliver excellence to your home. The constant flow of gold represents our unwavering commitment to quality, a steady stream of health and vitality powered by the most intelligent systems ever designed. From the heart of the untouched wild to the centers of modern civilization, we bring the best of nature to you, backed by science and proven results. Our researchers and AI systems work tirelessly to analyze every enzyme, ensuring that every spoonful provides the maximum therapeutic benefit for you and your family. Purity you can see, the quality you can taste, and technology you can trust. This is the new standard of excellence in the global honey industry today. Our nanobots are the silent guardians of the forest, gathering data and assisting the natural process to ensure the longevity of our precious wild honey sources. Indulge in the raw power of nature, refined by intelligence. Golden Flow offers a taste experience that is as deep and complex as the forest itself. Transparency is at our core. Scan your bottle to see the exact time and location of harvest, along with a full lab report of its nutrient profile. The extraction is complete, leaving behind only the pure essence of the hive, ready to be shared with the world in its most potent and bioavailable form. Even in the quiet hours, our AI systems are refining and monitoring, ensuring that every batch is consistent, safe, and of the highest possible pharmaceutical grade. We take the raw defense of the hive propolis and transform it into a modern medical miracle through the power of advanced nanoparticle science and precision engineering. Attention to detail is our hallmark. Every jar is polished and inspected by hand and machine alike to ensure it arrives at your door in perfect condition. Safe for the whole family and packed with natural goodness. Golden Flow is the perfect way to bring the health of the forest into your daily life. From forest to bottle, from nature to nanotech, we are redefining what it means to be pure. This is the evolution of the honey industry today. Multiple stages of filtration ensure that every impurity is removed, while every beneficial enzyme is carefully preserved for your maximum health and well-being every day. Our commitment to purity is backed by data, ensuring that you receive a product that is consistently superior to any traditional honey or propolis supplement available. Our architecture reflects our philosophy. A perfect blend of natural shapes and modern materials. She designed to leave the smallest possible footprint on the Earth's surface. The moment of truth. Opening a jar of golden flow is an invitation to experience the very best that the forest and AI technology have to offer. A new day begins in the forest of the future, where we continue to innovate and push the boundaries of what is possible in natural health and technology. The complexity of the forest is captured in every drop, a rich tapestry of life and science that nourishes the body and the soul with every taste. Take the power of the forest with you. Golden Flow is your daily companion for health, vitality, and a deeper connection to the natural world around us. Golden Flow. Tin Hua Tu Ai, Suk Song Tu Rung. Experience the ultimate synergy of forest vitality and artificial intelligence in every golden drop you consume today. Visit our website to learn more about our process and to order your first jar of the world's most advanced wild forest honey and nano-propolis today. Join us in the revolution of the Golden Flow. Pure, powerful, perfectly balanced by nature and AI. Your journey to peak health starts here and now.